another showdown happening between the Delhi Lieutenant Governor and the Aam Aadmi Party government, where the Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal had tweeted last week that the Chhath Puja will be celebrated like old times on the ghats of the Yamuna River in Delhi. The LG, VK Saxena, has cautioned the Chief Minister against misleading and premature publicity as approval that had been given for celebrations only at designated ghats. Now the LG has directed the Revenue and the Environment departments to ensure strict enforcement of the NGD's orders with regards to the pollution in the Yamuna River. Meanwhile, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had on the 21st of this month tweeted that the Chhath Puja will be celebrated as before on the ghats of the Yamuna, and had orders that given to all of the officers that all arrangements will be made to ensure that Yamuna River is not polluted. The same day, an official statement that said that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has approved the proposal by the Revenue Minister Kailash Gehlot to allow the celebrations of the Chhath Puja at over 1,000 ghats along the Yamuna River. In Delhi, however, the LG has approved the Chhath Puja at designated ghats on Yamuna River, where the LG has asked the Chief Minister not to create confusion and panic amongst people. The Aam Aadmi Party, meanwhile, has rebutted the criticism, saying that this was a needless controversy and no advertisement that has been done by the Delhi government on the same issue.
हमने तो उसमें कुछ बोला नहीं। हमने तो मुख्यमंत्री जी ने आदेश दिया कि इतनी जगह पे छठ पूजा होनी है और सरकार उसकी तैयारी कर रही है। एलजी साहब ने उसको कर दिया है, तो इसमें तो कुछ विवाद कहाँ से है? प्रचार कहाँ है? छठ पूजा पे लोगों को पता तो चलना चाहिए कि छठ पूजा हो रही है, और पूरी दिल्ली छठ पूजा मनाएगी। अभी
देखिए, मेरा एलजी साहब से ये आग्रह है, वो अभी थोड़े दिल्ली में नए आए हैं। दिल्ली में कई सालों से, अब पिछले 6-7 साल से छठ की बहुत भव्य व्यवस्था होती है। जब से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री बने हैं, तब से 1000 से ज्यादा छठ घाट हर साल दिल्ली में बनाए जाते हैं।
मैं राज्यपाल जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि छठी मैया बड़ी पवित्र हैं। हम पूर्वांचल के व्यक्ति हैं, हम उत्तर प्रदेश बिहार के रहने वाले लोग हैं। छठी मैया के साथ राजनीति ना करें। छठी मैया श्राप दे देंगी उनको, उपराज्यपाल जी को। अपनी राजनीति अपने घर करें।
Nukul is joining us live with more details on that, because Nukul, less to nothing literally that has been done when it comes to cleaning the Yamuna river. It has been polluted ever since. But as far as arrangements that has been made, there is a lot of controversy that seems to be happening on the arrangements made by the Delhi government and the Delhi LG.
Yes, absolutely, Amita, and the politics over the Chhath Puja has since begun. Yesterday, LG has given approval to hold the Chhath Puja at the designated ghats. We are right now at one of the designated ghats here at the ITO. But first, let's just take in a quick word with one of the devotees who is also standing here. Sir, क्या नाम है आपका?
जी, मैं नीलेश मिश्रा।
कहाँ से हैं सर आप?
सर, मैं छपरा बिहार से हूँ।
तो आप छठ पूजा यहाँ बनाते हैं, क्या कुछ तैयारी नजर आ रही है इस घाट पे? आप हर साल छठ पूजा बनाते हैं।
जी, बहुत खुशी है। सबसे पहले तो जो माता बहन भाई जो भी छठ पूजा कर रहे हैं उन सबको प्रणाम है। और बाकी यहाँ बहुत अच्छी तैयारी है। विशेष मैं देख रहा हूँ यहाँ साफ सफाई भी बहुत अच्छा है, और यहाँ भी ऊपर भी अच्छी सफाई हो रही है। फिर भी सरकार और भी अच्छी व्यवस्था करे। जैसे ये देखिए, गाय वगैरह इधर है, तो यहाँ यदि ये ठीक कर दें, थोड़ा बहुत और साफ सफाई हो जाए तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा।
तो क्या पड़ा है कोविड के पहले और कोविड के टाइम पे और उससे पहले और अब जो इस बार छठ पूजा क्योंकि बनाई जाएगी, उसमें क्या फर्क नजर आ रहा है? क्या तैयारियां नजर आ रही है?
देखिए, कोविड तो विश्व के ऊपर संकट था, ठीक है। प्रभु के आशीर्वाद से, छठ मैया की कृपा से वो टल गया। अब जो इस बार वर्ष हो रहा है बड़े पैमाने पर, और बाकी घर परिवार से भी, लोगों के भी, समाज से भी सबसे सुविधा मिल रही है। बाजार वगैरह से भी व्यवस्था अच्छी हो रही है जी।
So you heard one of the devotees. Now let me just show you around the preparations here at this particular ghat. You can see here there are some of the residues from the Diwali. After Diwali, you can see these are the residues which are not yet to be cleaned. At the same time, there are cattles also here. I'd like to show by video. I'd like to tell my video journalist to show you this particular visual that the cattles are also here. Now Manoj Tiwari, also the BJP MP, he had written a letter a month ago to Lieutenant Governor and with showing the concerns over the cleanliness at the Yamuna, some of the Ghats. Although the LG had yesterday given approval and the politics has just begun, let me also tell you this particular ghat, there is this area where the kunds are also being made for the devotees to celebrate Chhat Puja, just for the cleanliness of the Yamuna river, because when the devotees go out at the Yamuna river, there is some residues that also being could be seen, but these are the ghats that are being made. There were some cleanliness drives that also been started, although we are given to understand that the BJP delegate is also visiting this particular ghat, which is comprising of the Delhi BJP President Adesh Gupta, leader of opposition Rambir Biduri, and some of the MLAs who are also going to visit this particular ghat and take the stock of how the cleanliness is going on. Yesterday, Manoj Tiwari, the MP, they also had went to one of the designated ghats yesterday. While the politics, as you rightly mentioned, has certainly begun. Aam Aadmi Party had yesterday came out against the Lieutenant Governor and said that he is doing the cheap publicity. At the same time, Lieutenant Governor has also stated to the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and showed concern that against the misleading and premature publicity, and this is what he has stated in his particular letter. But this is the particular situation at this particular ghat at the ITO. Let me also just show you the visuals here. You can see there are some residues that still need to be cleaned here, and devotees have started coming. But since there are 2 days still left, which is going to be a matter of concern for the Delhi government to clean this particular ghats, as this is also amount to some of the pressures that they have, because since 2015 the designated ghats have certainly increased, and yesterday also Lieutenant Governor also in his letter mentioned to also the NGT to ensure that the cleanliness in these particular ghats should be done around the Chhat Puja. Now Chhat Puja, which is celebrated widely in the city by the Purvanchalis, it has increased over the years. The population have also increased certainly, and also the widely celebrated Chhat Puja in the particular city. Yesterday, the last year also we saw some of the visuals from the areas of Kalandi Kunj where people were standing knee deep in some of the designated ghats like Kalandi Kunj. So these are the matter of concern while people are celebrating.
का एक तरीके से कहना है कि डेजिग्नेटेड घाट से और वहीं पे पूजा की जाए, लेकिन सामने अगर साफ सफाई की अगर तस्वीरें जो नुकुल हमें दिखा रहे हैं, अभी वो कुछ खास इंतजाम नहीं किए गए, क्योंकि अक्सर दिवाली पूजा के बाद जो पूजा सामग्री है उसे नदी में बहा दिया जाता है. बट दैट इज द स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स एज वी आर लुकिंग एट द करंट सिचुएशन.